What's going on, everyone? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Metamask and how to set up a Metamask wallet. So to download it, you'll be first on this web page. To get to this web page, if you look at the previous video, the link's in the description. So from there we need to click download, install Metamask for Chrome, add to Chrome, and you can add an extension. Download in here at the bottom. When you add the extension, it'll appear at the top right here, and you'll be able to pin it, so it'll appear with all your other wallets. There we go. Alright. So from there you can pin it, and as you see it'll appear at the top. So from there we can click on it to open up Metamask, and it'll ask us whether we want to import a new wallet or create a new wallet. If you've already got a wallet that you want to use and you click on this, you'd enter your seed phrase and you're off, you're good. But for people who have not got a wallet and want to set one up, then I'm going to be walking you through the process of how to do that. So first of all, you'd click on create a wallet, and there it's just telling you that it'll never collect your keys, addresses, transactions, anything like that, or your IP address, and it'll never sell your data for profit ever. Click on I agree if you agree, and then you've got to create a password that is 8 letters long. Make sure you write this down. Click on create. So now it's going to ask us to secure our wallet, and this is going to be the most important part. This is your seed phrase, or 12-word recovery phrase, whatever you'd like to call it. And you click here and it reveals your 12 words. This is any 12 random words in any 12 random order. And this will be the only way for you to gain access to your account if you need to recover it on another device, laptop, anything like that. And this is the only way anybody else is going to be able to gain access to your account. So once you've written them all down, you can click on next, and it'll ask you to type them in again in order. So they're all in now, all in order from what they give me originally, and I can click confirm. And there we have it. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe. It is your responsibility. Tips on storing it safely. Save a backup in multiple places. Never share the phrase with anyone. Be careful of phishing. Metamask will never spontaneously ask for your recovery seed phrase. If you need to back up your secret recovery phrase, you can find it in settings, security. And if you have any questions or see something fishy, contact our support here. You can click on all done. Just telling you what's new. And then there we have it. This is our new Metamask wallet, fresh, ready to use, no transactions. That's a full guide on how to set up a Metamask wallet in 2022. In the next videos, we're going to be showing you how to use Metamask in terms of how to buy coins, how to send your crypto coins from your centralized exchange to your Metamask wallet, and many other things. So stay tuned for that, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.